I've got a bone to pick with the driver of that UFO.
You crazy boy? That's a goddamn alien ship.
Yeah, and it's time to knock it out of the sky.
Well, look at David Grace.
Why aren't you doing anything?
Hands are tied. Got orders to hold fire till we can send in volunteers to place these airstrike beacons.
Volunteers?
Top brass doesn't want us risking our boys to an unknown enemy. Can't do nothing till they figure something else out.
Hell with that. I ain't afraid of them. Give me one of those.
Give him hell, soldier! He is so fucking dead.
I bet you think you're clever for doing that. I doubt you'll be able to do it again. Oh, damn! Well, it's not like he'd know how to place a beacon in the beam of light or anything. What? What do you mean the light's still on? Oh, shit! I understand what the folks were about Earth when it said that planet was full of burning!
You should act like scum!
Summer getaway. But you know what? Now we're just gonna bomb the place. How you like that? You'll never stop us. Never.
Finally! Finally! We're free to go home! To leave! Yes! Home! Leaving! So there really is life out there. You think we'll ever see them again?
No idea, E-Man. But if we do, we'll be ready to kick their asses back into space.